This is 45 tons approximately on this airplane, and it consists of pharmaceuticals such as antibiotics, surgical supplies such as intravenous fluids, sutures, bandages, as well as personal hygiene materials such as soap, shampoo, toothbrushes, toothpaste.
When do you expect this aid in Zrakoplov?
Okay, this aid right here will be loaded on to trucks this morning, join up with 100 tons of flour that we have standing by right here in Split, and hopefully we'll get out of here late this afternoon or first thing in the morning. We're waiting on permits from the various officials along the way.